First bit of food today to soak up everything that we had last night, although to be fair I feel alright. Nick's starting the week off quite light. It's fruit. So this is the downside of coming on a UK staycation cruise. The fact that you can get days like this. Windy out here this morning. Welcome to our first full day on board Celebrity Silhouette. It's sea day and it's a good job we did our room tour yesterday. Let me just show this. And because Nick has made a right mess in this room.
Yeah, it's not me, that's your bed anyway, that side.
One tip that I would say to anybody coming on board.
This is a big tip. Bring
some coat hangers, or I am just going to ask the, what do you call them? Like cabin man?
Cabin.
What do you call them?
Room steward.
Room steward, there we go. That's the word I was looking for. I'm going to ask the room steward for more coat hangers because there's just simply not enough. I'm just backing all yesterday's videos up and then we are going to go down for some breakfast. Or up, I should say.
Again, something a little bit different. Upstairs in the Sky Lounge at 10:15 this evening, she's going to be performing for you a different style of show and some incredible vocals. Any live music that was due outside on the also.
Right, so as we got up a little bit late today, we are having breakfast at Ocean View Cafe. Nick's just found something he likes the look of.
I'll come back to that. What's that?
Pringles apple cinnamon. Just getting a little bit of American bacon to go with my croissant and scrambled egg with some kind of chive. First bit of food today to soak up everything that we had last night, although to be fair I feel alright.
My head's fine.
So when we were just walking down the corridor then, that was the captain, I think it was the captain telling us all about what was going off on board, or the activities person. So we've got out here basically all to ourselves because it's raining, everybody's inside. So we're just going to enjoy this and then we're going to go and get a nice coffee somewhere.
They've rescheduled all the top deck activities to inside the ship.
Oh, alright, okay. Nick's starting the week off quite light.
It's fruit. All of it's fruit. Apple, you know, all three. I don't see the problem.
Right, we've made us way down to Cafe El Patio. Just making sure I've said that right. I am. I'm having a flat white and Nick's having a decaf cappuccino and of course, thank you. Another dessert.
I'm on holiday. This is a light one.
So far this is our favourite place for coffee. And Nick is just about to dip his donut into his coffee because you're on holiday.
Right, well, that's nice.
Probably won't come in here, but that's one of the machines in the casino.
Socially distance, the next one to its close as well.
I like these.
They match the decor in both locations.
Yeah, I think I might. It doesn't tell me how much they are though.
Probably free.
Oh, mugs, 2 for $25. Oh, we could get one each. Quite like them.
Fit a lot in as well.
Yeah, and I like this as well. Official licensed ship model. Could put that on my above where that computer is in the apartment. I like that. Just having a
notebook as well.
No, I'm not bothered about that. Having a quick look around the merch and the shops as it's raining. So this is the downside of coming on a UK staycation cruise. The fact that you can get days like this.
They're being blown back.
Where it is windy, it's raining, and it's just generally not very nice outside.
It's not cold though.
It's not cold, but it's windy, so everybody is inside. But we're just going to go for a mooch around the ship because there's still a lot of places we've not seen yet.
Feel a blast now.
Ooh. Found the best table to sit at for that view from the back of the ship. Where, oh yeah, that's good as well. Like one on your own. Let me go look at the view from this one. think it's this wet because I've actually been cleaning. I don't think it's been raining this much. But yeah, that is good. Sat there having a coffee or a beer or whatever and just watching the back of the ship as we sail.
Would you think there was something wrong with me if I said I were hungry?
Well, no, because I would just think you're greedy. One advantage of it being a pretty crappy day for weather, if you wanted to get in the hot tubs and pools and stuff, it's all completely clear and free for you.
Let's do it.
Shall we?
Stuff with hot tub.
Just having a chill at the indoor solarium. We managed to get these beds. There's quite a few beds, I think. It's quite busy now though. Just got some drinks. We're on water at the moment. Nick is here. He's chilling and listening to his phone, listening to some music, aren't you?
Yeah.
And this is quite nice actually. It does feel like we're on holiday now, even though, well, we are on holiday, but Nick's just said we're actually parallel with the lodge now, aren't we?
Yep.
If we could see it, it's out there somewhere.
Fortunately, it's the same distance from the lodge as it is to Leeds.
Yeah.
So we ain't going to see it.
Yeah, so it is quite blustery outside. So we came inside, so I'll just show you around quickly. Obviously there's a lot of people around in pools and stuff. Nice little sort of like waterfall thing. They're just lowering somebody into the pool on that chair. So there's
glass in the sea that makes it look like it's sunny.
It does look like it's sunny outside, but it isn't. It's quite windy and blustery. Over there is a spa cafe, which I'm going to go and try some point, where you can get like fresh fruit juices and really healthy stuff. Yeah, I feel like my body needs some fresh fruit juice. Just been to the spa cafe, which is the one in the corner over there, and they made me a fresh orange, carrot and ginger pure fresh juice. So I'm just about to drink that, and then I think we'll go in the hot tub.
Hot, isn't it?
It's like the warmest bath I've ever been in.
It's hot as hell. It just took me about 3 minutes to get into it. It's so big as well. I mean, you're all that way away, and I'm like literally sat at this side, and it's like I've got my feet stretched out, and the sun's just come out. It's sunny blue skies. The coast of Newcastle is just over there by about 30-40 miles, and there we go.
These are today's selection at Cafe Al Bacchio for the cakes.
Oh, look at them cupcakes down there.
I like the look of those. Cupcake of the day. I really like the look of those. Or if I was going to have one, oh, that looks nice as well. I would probably try the passion fruit mousse. Just got back to the room. I'm going to have a little bit of a chill before I go out tonight. I did ask the room steward, and he's brought us some more
Sun's on the other side of the ship.
coat hangers. So you can ask for more if you don't have enough. There's some blue sky out there though.
I know, but the sun is actually shining on the ocean there. I can see it, but we're on the wrong side of the ship.
So I think we did mention that we were originally planned to go to Le Petit Chef tonight, but we've kind of, I mean, we haven't had that much to eat today, to be honest, apart from that breakfast, but I think everything we had last night has still stuffed us. So anyway, we've changed it to tomorrow night. So tonight we will be dining in the same place as we did last night, which is called
Grand Couvé.
Yeah, the main restaurant, because Nick can't actually remember his meal from last night.
I've seen it on photos, but I can't remember it.
He had like roast beef and Yorkshire pudding. It looked beautiful.
Roast beef, beef prime rib with it was basically a Sunday roast.
Yeah, and I liked the look of Nick's Yorkshire pudding so much, because what did I have?
I've no idea, I can't remember being there.
I think I had salmon. Did I? Yeah, I had salmon, I remember.
Oh, I had a Tom cocktail as well, I think.
Yeah, you did. God knows why you ordered that.
I can't remember.
So I liked the look of Nick's Yorkshire pudding, so I actually ordered a Yorkshire pudding and some gravy on its own. So I had that with salmon, which is a bit of a weird concoction.
Salmon and gravy with the Yorkshire pudding?
Yeah. But Nick can't remember last night's meal, so we're going to go there again tomorrow night. Tomorrow we are...
Tonight.
Yeah, we're going there tonight, and Le Petit Chef tomorrow night. Tomorrow we are docked at Inverness, so we might get off, have a little look around, then back on board later for Le Petit Chef. I'm going... Oops, sorry, just don't Nick. I'm just going to go and hang up the rest of my clothes now. Another little tip for anybody who's not been on here before. We were wondering where we were going to put the cases, and then Nick lifted that up and underneath is where our life jackets are. So it's a good job I looked under there. And we've put both our cases over there as well. Tomorrow we've decided we're going to have in-room dining for breakfast. So you get this in your room service, and it is included when you book. It was for us anyway. So morning, hang outside on door handle for a 2 a.m. pickup. So you've got till 2 a.m. to do that, and then you choose the hour tomorrow when you want it to be delivered. So you can start from 6 a.m. and go all the way up to 9:30 a.m. So you just put your name, people who's going to be dining, how many, and the stateroom, and then we've got all these beverages to choose from. So we've got coffees and teas and juices, milks, and then we've got fruit, cereals, eggs, bacon, and all that kind of stuff, and the bakery. So we're just going to fill this out now, and then on the next vlog we'll show you when that arrives. Right, we're heading out for our meal. It's chic night tonight, so we've got shirts on.
But I'm like,
we've got
take me or leave me.
As best frocks on. So I am very hungry now. I'll probably have a glass of red wine, even though I said I won't have any alcohol today.
Oh, I'm not having none.
Glass of red wine, and hopefully something very nice to eat. So there are people in tuxedos and very dressed up.
We've come wrong.
We've come the wrong way of the ship. Where are we going? Nick's taking us to this...
It's the other end of the ship.
Oh, for goodness sakes.
The other end of the ship.
So nice tonight that we can actually remember and see what we're eating.
Yeah.
Which is... what I am actually eating is a watermelon and tomato starter. Nick's having some soup.
It's a yellow corn soup with, like it's a sultana bread, but it's also got nuts in it. Very sweet, and I've had nothing to drink today, and I don't intend to have anything. I'm in a Cheeto all day.
A big contrast to last night, and if you didn't see it on our Instagram, here's a little clip last night of Nick. It's not even funny. So, the lovely waitress came and said, "What is your water preference?"
I didn't hear her.
So I said, "Still water, please." And Nick said, "Red wine, thanks." And she said, "Red wine."
I never knew what.
You freak. So that's what it was like last night. So tonight he's going to remember his meal, aren't you?
Yeah.
I forgot what this is called, but we were chatting to a couple today in Cafe Al Bacchio, and he recommended getting this. It's some kind of beef, isn't it?
Beef
tornado, something like that. So it looks nice, and I also got a extra entree of a Yorkshire pudding because Nick had Yorkshire pudding last night, and I love Yorkshire puddings.
An extra entree?
Yeah.
You mean side?
Yeah.
Meal.
I'm posh meat. Oh yeah, that's right. No, it is a side. Yeah, sorry, it is a side. Yeah.
I will try this.
So this is how full the main dining room is at the moment. Downstairs is any time, so you can see it's not very full. Yeah, we've switched to any time. It's not very full. Upstairs is the timed restaurants select, but we have changed to any time so that we can just decide when we want to eat. Does it melt in your mouth? New York cheesecake for me to end the evening with some chocolate sauce and some vanilla ice cream. Nick's gone for apple crumble.
It's an American apple crumble though, because it's got lots and lots of cinnamon and sugar in there.
Yeah.
And I asked for custard,
which is
instead of ice cream. So they have brought me some, but it's like blancmange cold custard.
I love cold custard.
I don't think we quite understand the British need for custard, hot custard on puddings.
When you go to a restaurant at the moment, you get these bags to put your face mask in, which is quite nice. I do actually like that actually, because usually you just put your face mask on the table or wherever you can find it, or in your pocket or something. So I do quite like that.
You know what the bags look like?
What? Sweet bags, yeah.
10 pence mixed bags.
That's where we ate tonight, in the main dining room, and this was the menu for tonight. For anyone who is interested in the menus. So I had and the tomato watermelon salad for starters. Nick had the yellow corn soup, and then we both had the celebrity signature beef tornado, and I had a side of Yorkshire pudding.
Feeling the grooves, feeling the grooves. So we're back in Cafe El Baco.
One of probably our favourite places on the ship.
Yeah, that is my favourite drink. It's a cappuccino, decaf cappuccino, and it is so creamy. This is the first time that Lee's actually tried it, and you get one of these biscuits with everything. I've ordered a citrus mint tea, which come in these little triangles, and then it goes through the tiny hole in the top of the pot, which must be hard to get that through, and then it kind of, ruined it. It dangles, and there we go. It's a little pyramid of tea.
Nick's starting again.
Nick's finishing because it's not quite nice.
Vanilla cake.
It's quite rubbery, and it tastes like
Rubbery.
Play-Doh.
Like a bit like blancmange jello-y.
But
Vanilla cake.
it's got a curious...
Curious what? Texture.
Oh, it's not nice. I mean, it's alright, but it's not.
Here we go again. What this time?
It's a peanut butter cookie, and it's not a crunchy cookie. It's one of those that's quite doughy, where you just tear it open, and it's got some kind of. Oh, I just threw it a bit there actually. Oh my goodness, that's not right.
I can't eat any more now.
They've also got coconut and cranberry macaroons. Right, that's the end of our first
full day.
First full day.
And our first sea day. Tomorrow we are at port. We are at Inverness, is that right?
Inverness. Invergordon and Inverness, yeah.
This is where we wanted to do the cruise, the excursion to Loch Ness.
Oh, yes.
But it was full.
It was full as soon as we booked it.
We could do it on... Oh.
It was full as soon as we booked the cruise.
I said Susie had booked it. Hi, Susie.
Susie! Hello, Susie.
We could get off and do it ourselves, but it is quite far away and we don't want to risk it.
Yeah,
Plus
we risk if you do a trip on your own and you're late back, the ship will basically leave you. If you do it through an organised trip and there's some problem, they obviously have to wait for all the people on the trip.
And we do have a reservation at 5:45 for Le Petit Chef.
Yep. Hopefully, with the breakfast that's going to turn up tomorrow and everything we've ordered, we won't be too stuffed by the time it gets to eating. To be fair, we've eaten quite lightly tonight. I've had no booze tonight. I've just had peppermint teas for the last 2 hours.
I'm going to drink a bottle of water now before I go to bed because I'm a little bit dehydrated, I think.
Yeah, we called at Cafe Abaco on the way back, and we got 4 bottles of water.
Because Nick drinks quite a lot during the night.
Yeah, so that's going to help with my stomach. But it's been a nice, relaxing day.
Very
relaxing. It is only 9:55. We are retiring early into our staterooms. We are nanas. Officially nanas.
I don't care, I'm tired.
Me neither, I am tired.
So thanks for watching.
I just need to catch
guys.
up.
We shall see you tomorrow on our first port day, where we probably will go out for a little mooch off ship.
You stink of booze.
Well, I've only had red wine.
Well, you still stink of booze.
A couple of glasses. See you tomorrow. Hit the like button, click the notification bell, drop us a comment below, ask me anything you want to do about our celebrity cruises, and we'll try and answer. We're not cruise experts, but we'll
find out though. While we're on, we'll find out.
We'll see you on the next vlog.
Bye for now.